What's good, car crew? It's your boy, Car Beats, back with a POV. As y'all can see, man, I got my partners in crime with me. Look like, you know what I mean? I see I got my boy Mike and that baby Track. And I got my boy AJ in the back. He back there chilling right now. I don't know what's going on with him. He gonna turn up in a minute when he hit it. Right there. It's a little street POV. Hold on. Damn. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You feel me? I wasn't even trying to do that. Just having the camera facing one way, but that didn't come so loud. Wind smacking me in the face. I can't hear. I'm my little ear. What the fuck? Boy, what the hell, boy? That feel loud as fuck. Boy, what the fuck? Hey, bro, I can't stop laughing. Boy, what the fuck? Bro, I can still hear out my left ear. Bro, what the fuck? I don't even know what to call this video, bro. I gotta edit this bit. They go our partner over there in that Hellcat, bro. They ain't the camera ad. Oh yeah. They go our partner over there in that cat. You feel me? But bro, oh my lord. Cuz these niggas just went fed. We just went fed. But boy, them niggas just turned up bad. Oh damn, my fault. You're right now. Why the camera ain't focused? But yeah, car crew, oh my goodness. Bro, that was insane. That was insane. Look at them boys. That bitch so hard. I gotta catch it. I gotta let them boy catch back up. Ooh. Look at them boys. Look at them boys. I had my phone up and everything. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, let these boys catch back up. But yeah, man, everything just got quiet. Why they camera doing this? I'm tripping, huh? But yeah, man, that was. But we just went crazy, literally. Like, literally just went crazy. Like, them boys just, but them niggas just went crazy, cuz. That junk crazy. That nigga just loud. I mean, we got the same thing, but it's just like, damn. Know what that bitch sound like? Hey. Bro, we just went crazy. Bro, I didn't even see him back there. I was like, oh. Bro, hey, my boy. My boy. My boy and the cat, man. Hey, we turned. Fast, we turned, man. That's crazy. Don't forget to bust that left. Oh, man. Boy, car crew, man. Lit little POV, cuz. No cap. This what y'all boys want to see, though, but you know what I'm saying? I gotta, you feel me? In my hometown, I can't, you feel me, really do this because it ain't the same. You know what I'm saying? But my bad, I got quiet, bro. My fault. But hey, come on, man. Nigga cutting up with the heat on. Nigga cutting up with the heat on. Hold on. I'm gonna roll my windows up. Hop out right quick. Yeah, man. But these boys went fed. Then got my boy the cat, man. Boy went federal, general, man, subliminal, ugly. Got a little snorkel light going on. Then you got my boy with that cat. Got my boy with that cat thing, yeah. Yeah, man. Hey, I seen him at the light. I said, damn, where the hell he going? I hadn't seen him at the light. Where the hell he going?
I know those cars.
Bro, hey. Bro, we went, bro, I got all that on video. Bro, you got to see that jump from my angle, bro. That jump's so funny, bro. He had, bro, my ear, I said, I can't hear. I'm a left ear. Bro.
I don't think we were not off the gas the entire way coming up.
No, bro, we got here like I started recording when we passed Taco Bell. It took us 5 minutes to get right. Yeah. Yeah, but your jump. But that bit. And then that bit loud for no reason. You just be slowly dragging. Bah! I was like, damn. Lionel go crazy though. That junk crazy. Get something to eat. Yeah. They been here. That junk crazy. Yeah, but I appreciate y'all, boy. I know that video gonna be so turnt, boy. Tell you. He came out of nowhere. But yeah, boy. That junk crazy. Let's see what's going on, man. Something slight. But that gonna be a wrap, man. We finna get something to eat real quick and going on about our Maryland way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. You feel me? Turn me up. But like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve. Any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal. Sky's the limit. And you can touch it, car crew. And like I said, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. Stay prayed up. And like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.